Hello everyone, it's your options guy. Welcome back to another video. So today's video we're going to talk about Bitcoin, and we're basically going to talk about how it's back and how it's been a crazy volatile week, or at least this past 2 weeks. We're going to talk about what's been going on, and then basically we have a lot to cover. So I'm going to go over my portfolio, show you guys basically how I've been going up and down like 10,000 in the past couple days, and it's just been a crazy volatile week. And then we're gonna go over some quick analysis just to see like where it's at and what happened, like what's the new support and so on. And then we're gonna take a quick look at the shorts and just try to get an analysis of what's going on with the shorts. How are they attacking? Are they attacking pretty aggressively? Are they backing back out, or what's going on with that? And then I'll even show you guys basically cheddar flow, and I'll just talk about like the market sentiment overall and quick analysis on that. And then we'll move on to some quick news with Bitcoin and basically like kind of where some analysts say it's heading in the short term at least. And then we'll even take a look at some option data just to try to get a sense of what's going on or what's going to happen potentially this Friday based on like the options that are out there currently. And then lastly, we'll even go over like stock twits, and then we'll just cover basically like what's the sentiment. Is it bearish? Is it bullish? What's going on there? And then just try to laugh at like what people are saying. I just think it's kind of funny, so we'll just throw that in there. So yeah, before we get into it, I'm not a financial advisor or analyst in any way, shape, or form. This is for entertainment purposes. Make sure you check out my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see. Definitely will help me out. Let's try to get to 1,000 subscribers, currently at 853. All right, so let's get into it. So this is my current portfolio. I'm at 80,000. Not too long ago, I was actually somewhere around 90,000. I think I hit like a high of 90,000, and this is just for my crypto portfolio. Obviously on this side I also have a Robinhood portfolio, which I currently only have 100 shares of Coinbase, and basically that's my portfolio, which as you can see I'm almost at 8,000 in total. And yeah, so anyways, let's get back to the Coinbase. So yeah, it's been a pretty rocky week so far. I even hit a low of 71 yesterday, so it's been very volatile, going up and down. But overall, if you see like my past year, definitely had a nice steady uptrend. So I got in Bitcoin in the 30s when everyone was basically selling, and all the bears kept saying this is going to 20k, it's over, this is like a shitcoin or whatever, and all that FUD that they were saying. So I took advantage of the fear, and then I was like, hey, you know what, Bitcoin's here to stay. Everyone's just panic selling right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and basically go all in. So that's basically what I did. And yeah, so now let's take a look at some analysis. So this past week, Bitcoin, obviously we're around 52k, but then a lot of people are saying that it's because of El Salvador that like it caused it to like dump. But honestly, it was, well, that's kind of like a small reason, but there was already a lot of hype in Bitcoin. And as you can see, basically from 30,000, it's just been nonstop going. It's just been breaking resistance after resistance. It broke the 41 previous resistance, and then it's just been going up and up and up. And then that on top of the El Salvador hype, it just caused too much hype, and there was too much greed going on, so it was due for a pullback. And then we got a healthy pullback. But then the whole Evergreen or Evergrande, whatever you want to call it, FUD came out, and then that just caused like the whole market to sell off, not just crypto, but stocks and everything just like tanked. And however, the good news is we actually had, like, I would say, a healthy correction. We had a healthy pullback back to retesting that 40 range. And as you can see, we jumped off that 40 range, I think twice actually. So this is basically the pattern that we're at. I think we're gonna probably head up around 44 and maybe touch 44.8 or somewhere around there, and then just start coming back down a little bit. And then I'm hoping that we can touch that 41, 40 range again, and then go ahead and bounce off of this descending triangle, basically descending pattern, and then just go from there. So as you can see, the RSI is at a healthy range again. I didn't like having the RSI like up above 60 for a while, so it seems like we're back in a healthy range. And also we have a golden cross pattern where the 50 moving average basically passed the 200 moving average, so golden pattern formed there. And then usually with the golden pattern, Bitcoin has a history of just rallying from there, or at least for a good while. So anyway, so now let's move on. So the shorts are basically increasing. They're trying to keep it underneath 44 for as long as they can, at least for now, because so basically, let me show you. So if you look at the option data for this week expiration on September 24th, the max pain price is 44,000, and then usually we kind of tend to move towards the max pain price, like, or hover around it. And basically, if the bulls or the bears, like whoever wins, then it'll go from there. So the bears, they want to keep it underneath 44,000 as much as they can, and preferably like 43,000 or lower. And that's basically the range that they want. And obviously the bulls, they want to keep it above 44,000. So as of right now, actually it's right around 43.9, so it's almost just right around 44,000. So basically we'll see what happens with that. We'll see who wins. Honestly, I think the bulls kind of have like their hand on the wheel right now. They're basically taking over again, and it's gonna be probably at 45 where the bears really start attacking and bring this back down. But overall, long-term bullish. I don't see a reason why this would drop. At least if it couldn't pass 30,000 or stay under 30,000 for the past 2 months when there was so much FUD going on around here, I don't see any reason for it to happen now, unless there's something like crazy, like catastrophic or something happens. But all I see is good news in the horizon. So anyways, let's go over this news basically. So a news price prediction. So Bitcoin is on the runway to take off to 48,000. So basically this article saying that the Bitcoin bulls fought tooth and nail to defend the support of 40,000 earlier this week, and this was just basically coming off like 48,000 range. So basically the bulls are doing well right now. We're getting close to that 44,000, which is a really important range to stay at, because I just showed you the Durbit metrics. That 44,000 is the max pain point, so we want to get above that 44,000, and then it's looking really bullish from there. So yeah, all in all, as you can see here, Bitcoin intraday levels. So currently it was at 44,000. The trend is bullish. Volatility is still a little bit low. The support is the 100 simple moving average at 40,000, and the resistance is at 46 and 48,000. So we'll see what happens and how it plays out for this week. So moving on, basically I want to show you guys just quick stock cheddar flow analysis. Now this just gives you a sense of like the sentiment. So overall it was a bullish sentiment today, especially after like the whole Fed meeting and everything. Basically kind of gave off good vibes for the whole stock market overall, and even crypto market. So everything started like booming from there. Just for you guys, just to have a quick look at what's bullish. Let me go ahead and open that up. So IRNT is still super bullish. There's a lot of orders that have been coming in, even though I've seen IRNT kind of like the hype fading a little bit, but that's basically the number one still. And in the bearish side, we have TLT, and you have Tesla there, Snap, Apple, Facebook. So that's basically the top ones from the bearish side as well. So just wanted to show you guys that. And then lastly, so from StockTwits, overall I think it's bullish again. It's turning bullish. A lot of bears are kind of hiding, except this one of these guys. They've always been coming out. This guy keeps saying it's going to 28k, but he's been saying that for like a long time. And yeah, just the Bulls right now are just celebrating, and it's just kind of funny. You can see like another short gone too soon. So yeah, if you don't know about StockTwits, it's just where a lot of people talk a lot of trash, and it's just kind of funny to get in there. I talk a lot of trash there too myself. I'm always like talking crap against the Bears, and that's pretty funny. But yeah, so overall, I think Bulls are coming back, and Bears are kind of fading away. And yep. So overall, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure you check out my channel. If you like what you see, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and leave any comments if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.